You're working harder, saving more, but your net worth isn't growing. Why? Because inefficiency is bleeding you dry. I paid off $80,000 debt and built 7 figures by fixing 3 leaks most people ignore. Today, I'll show you how to eliminate these killers. No budgeting apps, no Wall Street jargon. Just raw, real fixes. Stick around. The free tools I'll share have already helped my friends and family slash spending by 30%. Building wealth feels impossible because you track expenses but ignore hidden beliefs sabotaging you. Debt strategies focus on math, not motivation, so you quit. Budgets punish you for living, making rebellion inevitable. Fix these leaks or you'll waste years stuck in the same cycle. Skip this and you'll still be here in 2025. Same debt, same anxiety, same excuses.
Welcome back, girlies. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, I'm Penny, and here we believe every penny has a plan. No fluffs, no overcomplicated nonsense. Let's get into it.
Your brain's betrayal. You're not lazy, you're not broken. But every time you try to save, invest, or ask for a raise, something pulls you back. It's not bad luck. It's your brain running a script written by fear, shame, or that voice whispering, "Who do you think you are?" Maybe you grew up hearing, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or watch someone you love drown in debt. Now, even when you earn more, you sabotage yourself. You avoid negotiating salaries. You impulse buy to numb stress. You hoard cash instead of investing, terrified of losing it all. This isn't a you problem. It's a programming problem. Your mind's stuck on a loop. "I'll never be good with money." And every time you believe it, you prove it right. Cutting expenses or following a budget won't fix this. You'll white-knuckle your way for a week, then binge spend on a bad day. Why? Because you're fighting an invisible enemy, your own subconscious. Until you rewrite the script, you'll stay trapped. No spreadsheet can override the belief that you don't deserve more. No app can silence the shame that says, "You're terrible with money." Here's how to hack it. Number 1, name the lie. What's the story you tell yourself about money? "I'm bad with numbers." Rich people are selfish. Write it down. 2, replace it with one sentence. Every morning, stare in the mirror and say, "I am capable of building wealth. My worth isn't tied to my bank account." Number 3, act as if. For 1 week, make one decision your future self would make. Transfer $10 to savings. Decline a pointless subscription. Tiny actions rewire the brain. This isn't affirmations. This is surgery. You're deleting the code that says, "I can't," and installing, "What if I did?" Your mind is either your greatest ally or your worst enemy. Let's bury the debt trap keeping you stuck. The debt mirage. You pay, you sacrifice, you throw every spare dollar at debt, but the balance barely budges. The harder you work, the heavier it feels. You start wondering, what's the point? This isn't laziness, it's physics. Debt compounds faster than hope. You're stuck in a loop, work, pay, repeat. No progress, no light, just the suffocating dread that this will never end. The worst part? You're not even failing. You're following advice designed for spreadsheets, not humans. Math says attack high-interest debt first, but math doesn't account for the soul-crushing fatigue of staring at a $20,000 credit card balance. Debt strategies fail because they ignore psychology. You need momentum, not algorithms. Starting with the smallest debt isn't about interest, it's about survival. Every 200 paid off, every 500 erased is proof you're not trapped, proof you can win. The avalanche method? It's a graveyard of abandoned plans. People quit because progress feels invisible. You don't need perfect math. You need a reason to keep fighting. Here's how to break the cycle. List every debt, smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates. Ignore experts' rules. Your goal isn't efficiency, it's hope. Attack the smallest debt like your life depends on it. Cut subscriptions. Audit your spending. Burn it down. Roll payments to the next debt. When that 200 medical bill vanishes, take the 50 you were paying and add it to the next target. This isn't a strategy, it's a revolt. Every win fuels the next. Momentum builds, hope grows, and suddenly you're not drowning, you're crawling toward shore. Debt isn't a life sentence, it shouldn't be. It's a battle you can win. Now, let's fix the budget trap that's starving your joy. The budget rebellion. Budgets don't just fail, they backfire. You start Monday strong, meal prepping, canceling subscriptions, swearing off Amazon. By Friday, you're ordering takeout, binge shopping, or drowning in guilt. It's not weakness. It's human nature. Restriction fuels rebellion. The tighter you squeeze, the harder you explode. The problem isn't you, it's the system. Traditional budgets treat you like a robot demanding perfection while ignoring the messy reality of life. Emergencies happen, bad days happen, and when your budget has no room to breathe, you crack. Then you quit. Then the cycle starts over. Most budgets focus on what you can't do. No spending here, no fun there. But deprivation is unsustainable. You're not a spreadsheet, you're a person. Sacrifice without reward breeds resentment. Resentment breeds rebellion. And rebellion? That's when you blow $300 on a screw-it shopping spree to feel alive again. The fix isn't more rules, it's strategic freedom. Allocate guilt-free spending first, before bills, before savings. Give yourself permission to live. Not scraps, not leftovers. A dedicated slice of your money that's yours to burn, no apologies. How to kill the budget trap forever. Split your paycheck into 2 accounts. Account 1 80%, autopilot bills, savings, and goals. Never touch this. Account 2 20%, guilt-free spending. No tracking, no rules. Burn it on tacos, shoes, or a last-minute road trip. Account 1, set up direct deposits or transfers the day you get paid. Out of sight, out of mind. Spend account 2 like it's already gone. This is extra money. It's your sanity fund. Use it or lose it every month. This isn't budgeting, it's behavioral hacking. By funding freedom first, you remove the urge to rebel. No more guilt, no more tracking. Just progress on autopilot and permission to live. But 20% is too much? Start with 10%. The percentage isn't the point, the mindset is. If you allocate 50 to guilt-free spending and blow 60, you're still winning. Why? Because last month you blew $500. Progress beats perfection. Budgets shouldn't feel like prison. They should feel like permission slips. Let's end this with the final step to lock in your progress. Grab the free guide below, no upsells, no fluff, and start rewriting your money story tonight.